Sure, here's an original gospel-style song titled, Jesus, I Need You. Heartfelt and easy to sing and worship, I lead you. When the storm is all around me and my heart begins to fall, you're the peace that calms the thunder. You're the voice above it all. When I'm weak and I can't stand, you reach out and take my hand. Jesus, I need you every hour, every day. You're the light that shows the way. Jesus, I need you. Come and stay. Hold my heart, don't let me stray. When the night feels cold and lonely and my tears refuse to dry, you remind me of your mercy. You're the reason why I try. You lift me when I'm down. You place on me a crown. Jesus, I need you every hour, every day. You're the truth, the life, the way. Jesus, I need you. Hear me pray. Be my strength, my hope, my stay. You are my Savior, my guiding light. Through every battle, through every fight, I'll never fear, for you are near. Your love has conquered all my tears. Jesus, I need you. Forever I'll sing, you're my Lord, my everything. Jesus, I need you till the end. My Redeemer, my closest friend. Would you like me to make a Kasi version of this song too?